On January the 6th, 2020, an American Airlines Boeing 737, registration November 975 Alpha November, performing flight American 1737 from Dallas-Fort Worth to San Antonio, was climbing through 10,000 feet when the pilots requested to maintain altitude due to an unsafe landing gear indication. Pilots finally decided to turn back and return to Dallas, hoping the gear would come down unlocked, no problem. American 1737 landed back at Dallas about 20 minutes after reporting the issue. As always, this audio is provided by LifeATC.
Departure American 1737, so it's passing through 1,500 feet on the Jasper 6.
American 1737, regional departure, radar contact. Southwest 172, contact Fort Worth Center 127.0C.
270, good.
And 1737, traffic 2 o'clock at 3 miles southeast, found 1000, leveling Airbus.
Well, look at American 17.
American 1737, climb maintain 13,000.
The 13,000, American 1737.
And 1737, continue climb maintain 17,000.
American 1737, now we've got a little bit of a problem. If we can just level off at 13.
American 1737, maintain 13,000, advise if you need any assistance.
Working on right now, no assistance, wanted to not climb too high. Up to 13,000, American 1737.
On departure Southwest 5797, 2000 climbing 7000 via the Sunset 4.
Southwest 5797, regional departure, radar contact, climb unrestricted, maintain 17,000.
Unrestricted 17,000, Southwest 5797.
Departure American 1599, 2 climb and 10 via the CAT.
1599, regional departure, radar contact, climb maintain 17,000.
17000, American 1599.
American 1737, did you get your issue resolved?
Stand by 1 second, 1737. Not yet.
Okay.
And forward, American 1737.
1737, go ahead.
Yeah, we've got a unsafe gear indication. Need to go somewhere and possibly get this straightened out, talk to our maintenance, and then decide whether we need to go back to Dallas or down to San Antonio.
American 1737, roger, and how long do you need to hold for?
Probably 15 minutes.
Southwest, correction, American 1737. Maintain present altitude and present heading. I'll give you some turns here for holding here in just a few miles.
Okay, present heading and 3 feet, American 1737.
American 1737, fly heading 250.
250, American 1737.
American 17, flighting 180.
Left turn 180, American 1737.
1331, climb maintain 17,000, contact Fort Worth Center 127.0.
270, climb maintain 177,000, thank you.
American 2824, climb and maintain 11,000.
Up to 11,000, American 2824.
American 1737, flighting 090.
090, heading American 1737.
American 1737, turn left heading 270.
Left turn 270, American 1737. And forward, American 1737.
And 1737, go ahead.
Yeah, we've got an unsafe indication that will get corrected. It's in the We're asking them to come up, they're not coming up, so we need to return to Dallas. On final, we'll put the gear down, and we fully expect everything will come down unlocked, but return to Dallas forward.
American 1737, roger, maintain 13,000, present heading for now.
Roger.
The 1737, when able, say personnel, fuel, and correction, souls on board.
American 1737, we have 167 souls on board, approximately 5 fuel, and we'd just like to declare a precautionary emergency since we are returning Dallas forward.
American 1737, which runway do you need?
Well, that's for 35 center, and we at this point do not need any equipment.
Roger.
American 1737, they're going to roll that ARF equipment no matter what we need to declare.
Understand.
You guys more fuel or not? Are you good to come in now? Are you heavy or not?
No, we're good now. So just maybe a little bit of an extended vector so we can get all set up and briefed, but we're good.
1737, notice beside center to send and maintain 11,000.
11,000 American 1737. Forward 1737.
1737.
We're looking at the distance for landing distance. Can we reselect request 30 left? And forward American 1737.
1730 fly heading of 180. Go ahead.
180, that's 1737. I just want to confirm you got the third request for 36 left.
1737, that's affirmative. Search runway 36. 8.42, we'll see you.
1842, thank you, American 1737. Good day.
American 37?
American 1737 is with you on heading of 050.
American 1737, thanks. Turn left heading 02, up to 36 left, localizer.
020 to intercept 36 left, and we're descending to 5,000, American 1737.
Thanks. Air Shuttle 5778, turn left heading 020, intercept the 36 right, localizer, descend and maintain 3,000.
020, descend maintain 3,000 to 18 right, or 36 right, localizer, Shuttle 5778.
Air Shuttle 5778, reduce speed to 190, the airport 10 o'clock and 13 miles.
Insight, reducing speed to 190, Air Shuttle 5778.
Air Shuttle 5778, Clippers approach only 36 right.
36 right, Air Shuttle 5778.
American 1737, descend and maintain 3,000, advising you to get the airport inside 12 o'clock and 19 miles.
3,000, we have the airport inside, American 1737.
American 1737, Clippers approach only 36 left.
Visual 36 left, American 1737.
Skywest 3188, descend and maintain 3, change to expect only 36 right.
3,000, we're clear to Sky 3188.
American 1737, are you going to need to do a low approach, or are you going to be good to land at this time?
We're going to anticipate a full landing at this time. We do not anticipate the flyby.
Okay, thanks.
And our tower for American 1737, our plan is to drop the gear on final, and then if they all come down, we'll land normally.
American 1730. American 1737, contact tower on 124.15.
2415, American 1737. Tower American 1737 is with you for visual 36 left, and we have 3 good down indications for the landing gear.
American 1737, tower runway 36 left, clear to land.
We'll land 36 left, American 1737.
And American 1737, I hate to do this to you, frequency 135.7, please.
35.7.